Hello everyone, I am Jhilam Basu, ICC batch 2013. Currently studying as a final year medical student at Calcutta National Medical College and Hospital. Today I am here to talk about my school, Assembly of Angels Secondary School. I joined in the second standard, and since then this place has been more like a second home to me rather than just a school. I formed such beautiful bonds with my teachers here that I cherish even today. Teachers who became more like friends with every passing year. Even today, whenever I go back, I am welcomed with blessings and warm hugs. Back in school, there was never a day when my questions went unanswered. And trust me when I say this, I had tons of them. I remember sir and ma'am never getting irritated while solving my million doubts. The patience that they showed with me is something that I try to practice in my daily life. We learnt on the playground as much as we learnt in the classrooms. I remember we used to compete amongst ourselves to answer questions in the class. Such was the enthusiasm. From watering plants to visiting old age homes, from collecting old newspapers to collecting for the underprivileged, it was well ensured that we learnt about life as much as we learnt from the textbooks. I have memories in every nook and cranny. The early morning assembly, the multitude of trees, the 0-hour practice for the upcoming Teachers' Day event, the blackboard that became my creative outlet, that desk that bears my last signature. I miss them all. Truly, school years were some of the best years of my life. And I am deeply grateful for playing such a huge role in making me into who I am. Thank you.